Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Citibank credit card. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is having an account in like Citibank. If you have an account, you already like activated and you will already get your credit card. So if you're on this video, you probably don't have an account. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, let's just know as an example how to do it. So as you can see here, make paying bills as painless as possible. As you can see, no stamps, no check, no anything. The cost is free, and this is right for you if you want to pay your bills online instead of by mail. If you want to pay any person or business in the United States, or if you want the confidence of the online bill payments promise. So you can apply online if you want, or find the branch and go and apply with them. For example, if you try to apply online, we'll have to go and choose our checking accounts that we'll need to apply for on. As an example, a regular checking. Click on open an account. And here, start filling up your personal information, ID verification, employments and income, set up an online access, agree to, and everything like agreements and disclosure. Then transfer fund if you want to transfer any funds to your card. Once you do all of that, you after like I don't know how much they take, maybe from 1 to 7 business days, you will get your credit card and it will be activated and ready to use. So how to pay with your credit card? Or sorry, how to activate your credit card? It's basically by opening an account and entering the card number right here if you already registered as an example, and simply click on continue and it should be activated. If not, and normally it's activated by default, but if it's not by any chance, maybe you unlock it or you locked it and it's not activated, you can simply just go and you can type on Google activate your Citibank credit card, and you'll find the first link here, activate. Of course, you can even see the steps, but on activate, you can enter the credit card number, click on continue, and follow the steps from there. And as you can see, activate your card, input card number, validates DOP, basically complete all the fields mark and etc. Select the 4 pins, and your card will be ready to use. As simple as that. So here, as we said, it's going to be the same as here. So here we'll have to enter the informations about the card, click on continue, and inputs the card numbers example, then validate the DOP, complete all fields, fields marks with this as example are required, enter for 4 digits as example, and your card will be activated and ready. And of course, that's once you have your Citibank account. If you don't have it, you'll not be able to activate it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.